Keyboard shortcuts are probably the one thing that I recommend you to use in order to improve your workflow in Affinity Photo. The problem what I found among many members of my community is that they find it hard to actually memorize all of the different keyboard shortcuts. Now, one solution that I have to that problem is that I've created a workflow booster cheat sheet that you can download for completely free using the link down below. But what if I told you you can actually benefit from keyboard shortcuts without knowing a single one of them? And that is where this tiny little device comes in super handy. This is the Xencelabs Quick Keys. You can program each and every single one of these buttons and the dial to perform different keyboard shortcuts for you. And the best thing is it has a little screen so you don't even have to remember them. Now, Xencelabs actually reached out to me in order to review their Pen Tablet Medium bundle. To be fully transparent with you, they don't pay me money, but in exchange for an honest review, I get to keep the bundle. So, what is inside the box? Once you open the box, you are greeted with a friendly thank you card. Everything is neatly packed and has a premium feel to it. As mentioned, this is the medium pen tablet, but it also comes in small and large. Underneath the tablet, you'll find a protection sleeve. And to be fair, I absolutely love this thing. The inside is super soft, so you are guaranteed that it won't damage when you're actually taking this thing with you. And on the front, it has a little pouch that will fit all the other accessories. Then we've got the Quick Keys, which is the little device I told you about in the intro. You've got the dial that you can program, as well as the other expression keys. Then on the right side, we've got the pen case, and this thing is built super sturdy. It has a super premium feel to it, and it actually closes magnetically. In the case, you will find the two pens, one normal one and one slim one. It also comes with 10 extra nibs, 4 of which are felt, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, and a little dongle so you can use the devices wireless. It also comes with 2 USB-A to USB-C cables in order to use the devices wired or to charge them, as well as this nice medium-sized glove for a smooth experience. Alright, now let's cover some features of the tablet itself. To be honest, I think the design is very simple but very well thought of. It has 3 expression keys at the top, good for left and right-handed creatives. And at the bottom you will find 6 rubber feet for extra grip. The tablet itself has got a true 16:9 aspect ratio. I haven't really had a chance to test it yet, but apparently the tablet has a battery life of about 16 hours. And the 2 coolest features I think are the ergonomic curved design so your hand doesn't slip off, and the custom LED lights at the corners that you can give a different color for every app that you use. Then some quick words about the pens. What I absolutely love about the bundle is that it comes with 2 pens. The normal sized one has got 3 buttons and an eraser at the back, and the slim one has got 2 buttons and an eraser. Both pens are battery free and support 60 degrees tilt function. And the great thing is that you can set up them differently for different experiences. Alright, now here's where things actually get really exciting. I've used quite many pen tablets and pen displays in the past, and to be fair, they all kind of work the same. But where it gets really exciting is this little device, and this is actually the reason why I decided to collaborate with Xencelabs. This little thing is an absolute game changer. At the top of the device, you find a big dial, and you can set up this dial for 4 different functions. For instance, in Affinity Photo, I can use the dial to change my brush size, my brush hardness, I can zoom in and out, and even quickly undo and redo actions. Below the dial, you will find 8 expression keys, all with a different texture, so once you get used to it, you can actually use the device blindly. And below the 8 buttons, you will find one more button which allows you to change sets. Per application, you can actually set up 5 sets of 8 expression keys, meaning that you can assign 40 different shortcuts to the buttons. In the middle of the device, you will find an OLED screen, which shows you exactly what each button does. Also, when you change sets or when you change the function of the dial, it will actually appear on screen what the function is. And because of this screen, you really don't have to memorize each and every keyboard shortcut. You can simply look at the screen. In the settings of the Quick Keys, you can even set the orientation of the device, meaning that you can use it vertical or horizontal, left-handed or right-handed. And probably the most amazing thing about this little device is that it automatically switches the functions according to the app that you have opened. Now, then a little something about the driver. The driver is very user-friendly and it picks up all devices automatically. As you can see, I've got my pen tablet right here, my Quick Keys here, and both of the pens here in the middle. So if I want to set up my pen tablet, you can see that here I can set up these little corners. So let's say I'm using Affinity Photo. I want my corners to be pink. When I'm using ScreenFlow, I want them to be green. And when I'm using DaVinci Resolve, my video editor, I want them to be blue. Right here, you can also set the expression keys on the tablet, and you can adjust these per app. Then we've got the 3-button pen. So as mentioned, it has got an eraser at the top and then 3 buttons in the middle. So you can assign all of these buttons yourself. Here you can test the sensitivity of the pen. Same for the thinner pen, but this one only has 2 buttons, as you can see. And also for the pen, you can customize both settings for different apps and for different pens. Now, then we got the Quick Keys, and here we can set up this little device. So as you can see, we've got 4 modes that we can use for our dial, and we can also color the dial however we like. We can change the dial sensitivity, and we can change the brightness of the light ring, let's say, and this is super easy to set up. Also for the keys, so you have different sets. So as mentioned, like you can set up 5 sets per application. For instance, for Affinity Photo, well, I use 4. If you want to see all sets, you can do so right here. And here you can see that we've got 5x8 shortcuts that we can assign to the buttons. Then right here, we can change the orientation. So you can click on customize and then set the orientation. That is what I've just shown you. You can rename the Quick Keys. You can set a sleep timer so that it goes to sleep if you don't use it for a specific amount of time. And then you've got the screen brightness, which I have set to medium. Now, if you have friends or if you want to share your settings, you can actually do so by clicking this little button right here. And then you can export and import your user settings. You can remove selected applications. Right here, you can add applications. So let's say I want to use it for Safari or whatever. I can totally do so and change all of the settings for this specific application, including the scroll wheel. Now, before we come to a conclusion, first some pros and cons about the Pen Tablet Medium bundle. One amazing thing is that you can use the devices wireless and that both devices have an amazing battery life. The quality is very, very good, and I think this little device, the Quick Keys, is an absolute game changer if you want to increase and optimize your workflow. Now, what are the cons of the Pen Tablet Medium bundle? The price is rather high, so as you can see, it is 330 euros for the complete bundle. And one thing that I think is missing in the box is a pen stand or a pen holder. Other than that, I really don't have anything bad to say about this bundle. So in conclusion, is the Pen Tablet Medium bundle something for you? If you've got the money to spend and you don't have a pen tablet yet, then it is an absolute no-brainer because just this device only is absolutely amazing. Now, if you already have a pen tablet or a graphic display, you can also get the Quick Keys separately. And as you can see right now on my screen, it goes for 110 euros on the Xencelabs website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy creating, and I would love to see you in my next one. Ciao, ciao.